Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between TradingView or ProRealTime. And before starting this comparison video, I want to tell you two things. The first thing is I won't tell you which application is better because both applications are great. And the second thing is I made more than 1,500 videos about crypto brokers, settings, and I will tell you with all my experiences which application is the best for you and which one fits the best. So let's start right here with the main focus on TradingView. And the main focus is do charting and analysis. And on ProRealTime, the main focus is professional trading. Then if we look to best for, and with that I mean TradingView is the best for traders and investors, and ProRealTime is the best for active traders. Then if you look to trading tools, TradingView has an industry-leading charts. If you're asking me, TradingView has the best analyzing tools worldwide, and ProRealTime has advanced professional tools. Then if you look to the interface, TradingView is modern and intuitive, and ProRealTime is more professional and customizable. Then if you look right here to the last step, the fees and trading costs. If you look to TradingView, it has lower subscription costs, where on ProRealTime it has higher platform costs. So with those 5 topics, you can make right now the decision which application fits you the best. And if you look right here to some tips, many traders use TradingView for charting alerts and to do market analysis. And many traders use ProRealTime to do on advanced trading and automation. So hopefully after this video, you know exactly which application fits you the best and you can choose right now which one you will pick. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.